Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. They're going to show you the blind spot monitoring system with cross traffic alert, the BSM200 from USA SPEC. We've installed that system on, this is a Prius V 2014. We also installed in this vehicle the Mobileye system. So first we're going to show you here the blind spot. As you can see, the blind spot are installed in the back behind the bumper. You have this tool that comes in the package that will make sure that you put it in the right direction. So this tool allows you to see which direction the sensor is facing. The arrow should be straight with the vehicle. You also can see that the wires have to come from the, in this sensor it goes from the right side of the sensor, the other one goes to the other side, basically pointing out from the vehicle, so that way you know the sensor is in the right direction. There's no metal interference. You have to make sure there's no metal interference. You have to make sure you're above 1 feet above ground at least. There's no metal to interfere with the sensor, and obviously the bumper will not have anything that pushes it out. And so that will be here. The unit itself, the actual main brain, is going to be installed in the front of the vehicle. The signals were taken from the back in here, so we took the signals from the wires, directly from those signals, and run it to the front. We have our installer in the front, just completing the job. We have here the unit and everything is going to be hidden, zip tied. We have also our, this is going to be the two sensors, so the sensors are going to be mounted one from each side of the vehicle. And we have here also the Mobileye camera. The Mobileye camera is the front collision alert system. So we upgraded this vehicle, 2014 Prius. We added safety features, blind spot, cross traffic alert, and collision alert system. For more videos, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.